Hey, chocoholics, looking for something absolutely delicious, but also surprisingly not bad for you at least. These are Bruno, I've already sliced it off here, but they're Bruno chocolate brownie crisps, and they are from Thailand, and depending on where you are, the language will be different. I'm in Japan, so it's all Japanese here. These are gluten-free, dairy-free, no margarine or shortening, and no flavors. I guess they mean not that it's lacking in flavor, but that it doesn't have artificial stuff. And yeah, mostly coconut is in here. They don't look as pretty as they do on the package, but when does the real stuff look quite as good as the package? You know, marketing. Anyway, if you're concerned with what you eat, these will probably impress. It's got coconut oil, coconut flour, coconut sugar, cacao powder, tapioca flour, cashew nuts, almonds, and salt. That is it, my friends. So pretty good. Now, of course, it does have that coconutty taste to it. So if you're not a fan of coconut, you won't like these. But let me just dive in here. So I've already eaten a lot of these. This is what it looks like in real life. They're just these little biscuits. And you can see a little nut on that. Now, they're not crisps in the sense of potato chips, nothing like that, nor are they cookies. It's an interesting texture to this, kind of light, but definitely with fat and sugar in it. The oily texture is there. It really is like a brownie met a potato chip and had a baby. It's a soft, crisp texture, very flavorful, very chocolatey, very satisfying, and I wholeheartedly recommend.